Hi kids, today we are going to draw a super cute flower. Tap the like button and subscribe for more fun drawing videos. First, and a fluffy cloud at the bottom. Keep watching till the end because a fun surprise is waiting for you. Let's draw the round center of the flower. Now draw 6 cute petals. Around it, add the stem to pretty leaves. Flowers come in many beautiful colors. They make gardens bright, colorful, and happy. Now color the petals bright red. Color the center orange. Color the leaves green. And color the cloud light gray. Kids, can you help me make this cute flower the happiest flower in the whole garden? Amazing! You drew a beautiful, cute flower. Tap the like button and subscribe for more fun drawing videos.